Hi! Today's lesson is about the past tense of the verb be in WH questions. How was your weekend? Where were you? When were you there? Who were you with? How long were you there? WH questions usually start with where, when, who, what, how, or how long. These words ask for more information. To make WH questions, add a WH word before was or were. For example, how was the weather? Or, where were your friends? David and Julie were on vacation in New York last week. The weather was cold and rainy, but they still had a wonderful time. They were in New York for 5 days. Use where to ask about a location. Where were David and Julie? In New York. Use when to ask about a time. When were they there? Last week. Use who to ask about a person. Who was David with? Julie. Who was in New York? David and Julie. Use how to ask for a description. How was the weather? Cold and rainy. How was their trip? Wonderful. Use how long to ask for a length of time. How long were they in New York? 5 days. What about you? Where were you last week? Who were you with? How was the weather? Tell me more.